soft kebab, capsicum and chicken. 1 tablespoon oil. Garlic cloves 5-6 enough. 1 medium sliced onion. Grated ginger 1 tablespoon. Green chillies chopped as hot as you like. Pinch of kasuri methi. Fry until golden. Make paste. Carrot small pieces 2 tablespoons. Chopped capsicum 5 tablespoons. Shredded boiled chicken boneless 5 tablespoons. Salt half teaspoon enough. Fried onion, garlic, ginger, green chilies. Soy sauce 1 teaspoon. Make a paste. Potato 1 medium size, boiled and mashed. Mixed with capsicum chicken paste. Mix well. Cover and keep in fridge for half hour. After half an hour, take out the chicken capsicum paste. Mix 1 tablespoon besan, 1 tablespoon ghee. Make kebab with wet palm. Oil for frying 1-2 tablespoons. Fry the kebab both sides 2 to 3 minutes enough. Soft kebabs ready. Serve hot